Hi guys, welcome to our vlog, and we are the group 4, and we are going to show you the
proper etiquette and swimming.
Before you enter the pool, you must take a shower. First,
Hello everyone, these are the pool rules to avoid incidents. No diving, no running, no pushing, no shouting, no bumping, no dunking, no breath holding, no glassware, and no peeing in the pool.
So before we go inside the pool, we have to make sure that all our electronic gadgets or valuables should be kept inside our bags for safety purposes. Did you guys see that? That's one protocol you should avoid. You should follow the safety rules and protocols, and you should avoid spitting inside the pool.
Oops, you shouldn't push each other. It can cause drowning.
Whoops! That is one of the violations. Diving is very bad, especially in a crowded area.
Hello everyone, if you have open wounds, avoid going to the water. Before we go home, we need to securely pack our things, and we need to clean up all the mess. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog, and we are the group 4. Tangang puta! Hi guys, welcome to our vlog, and we are the group 4. Uwe, kadulungan ang takilingkod!
Huh? Huh?
Avoid pushing each other. It can cause
That's considered as a violation.
Did you guys see that? That's one way to avoid.
Nice.
At ano piliin yan? Pipiliin ko pa rin siya. Wala ka magawa sa buhay kapag ang taong gusto mo, hindi ikaw ang gusto. Ganda ako.
Uy, tadi.
Iya kasi lah. Ha?
Service ko, nasa Pinagan na.